Welcome back to Boss Fashions. Today I'll be teaching you the easiest and fast way of fixing zip. You can use this on female dress, you can use it on male dress as well. Beginners can use it and advanced fashion designer as well can use it. With this method, I fixed my zip in less than 2 minutes. You won't believe it, just less than 2 minutes. So if this is what you are here to learn, please pay keen attention as we proceed into the tutorial. And also please subscribe to this channel for more sewing arc and tutorial. Let's proceed now. Looking at this pattern now, you can see 2 lines clearly on it. The spacing between these 2 lines is ½ inch. The first line represents our cutting line. That is where we chop to cut our fabric. The second one indicates the joining allowance. That is the joining space. This is the left side. This is the left side, and it will be on top of this after fixing a zip. So the next thing is to cut or to notch this area slantly, not beyond this joining line. It mustn't be beyond this joining line. The next thing is to add interface to this place. So we are going to use iron to glue our interface down. Then we are going to fold this area. But this one is too much, I'm going to trim it off. And use iron to hold it down. That's just it about the left side. As for the right side, we also have 2 lines, cutting line and the joining line. That represents joining line, and in between them is not up to ½ inch. Let's call it 1/4 and 1/8. That is the spacing between it. Also, we are going to notch this area as well, not beyond the joining line, not beyond the joining line. Then after notching it, we are going to fold it in on that joining line and press. Now that everything is set, our interface has been ironed down, then we've positioned everything as well. So the next thing is to start with our right side. This is our right side. We are going to open the flap and place our zip ½ inch away that ironing line, ½ inch away. Then we are going to fold it over onto the zip and sew down like this. So the next thing, place your left side over the right side. So after setting it, let me show you something. Make sure the thing is a bit away from the zip. So we are going to sew it. It's not that difficult. It took me less than 2 minutes. It's not up to 2 minutes to complete this zip method. Now you are going to flip it over and sew the zip down to the part that has interface. Just sew it down. Now let's turn it and see what we have. You can see it is forming already. This is just it. So let's open the zip. Then you are going to turn it upside down and flip this way. We want to work on the interface area now. So we are going to sew from the top right to the cuff at the down area. I can call this one the last stage of this zip making. You can see it is very simple to do, and it is faster. Like I said, it's not up to 2 minutes. It's not up to 2 minutes. So after knitting our thread, we are going to pick this one, both flap together. We are going to pick them and tag them together. So the down flap won't be shifting. That's why we need to tag that one down. We're almost done, but I want you to please appreciate my efforts by subscribing to this channel, like this video and share. So here's what we have. It is very simple and easy. Stay tuned for more sewing tutorial and sewing hack. Thank you.